Welcome to our channel. Today we how to configure Bubble to build a habit tracker with user profiles. Easy tutorial step by step clearly. Start by logging into your Bubble account. Create a new application by clicking on the New App button. Choose a template or start from a blank page based on your preference. Once your app is created, go to the Design tab on the left sidebar. Add a new page for user profiles by clicking on the Page dropdown at the top right. Name the new page User Profile. Drag and drop a text element onto the page for the user's name. Add an input element below the text element where users can enter their names. To store user information, navigate to the Data tab. Create a new data type called User. Add fields for name, email, and habits under the user data type. Return to the Design tab and go back to your main page. Add a button element labeled Create Profile. Now, select the button and go to the Workflow tab to create a new workflow. Choose when button is clicked to start creating the workflow. Add an action to the workflow under Data to create a new thing. Select User as the type of thing to create. Map the input values to the corresponding user fields. For example, set the name field to the value of the input element for the user's name. After creating the user, add another action to navigate to the user profile page. Now, return to the user profile page. Add a text element to display the user's name by placing it above the input field. Set the dynamic text to show the current user's name. You can also add a list element to display the user's habits. Go back to the Data tab and create a new data type called Habit. Add fields for title and frequency. Return to the user profile page and add another input field for the habit title. Add a button labeled Add Habit. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.